Hi all, welcome to another vlog. This is a one-day master makeup class at our Pearls Beauty Academy. So we monthly once we'll be having a master class. This class is for the people who are already in the industry, but they would have lot of doubts in makeup and lot of corrections. So this was an high definition makeup. These students were already doing high definition makeup in their salons, but they had lot of makeup in the eye makeup, in the base. So this class is specially for the people who are already existing as a makeup artist. So I was completely explaining when mom was doing the practical. So everything like step by step we will be teaching the students, and the product what we are using in Pearls Beauty Salons, which I've been using by mom and myself personally for the base, for the eye makeup. We usually take only 10 students per day for the master class, but on the day we had 13 students participating in this particular class. Yes, the first one we used to do is the eye makeup. So the product used are like Huda Beauty, NARS. The eye makeup used Morphe palette. The eyeshadow palette was from Morphe. So this helps them to clarify the doubts when they are doing practically on the brides. Sometimes the under eye gets smudged, and sometimes they say the makeup gets melted because of the video lights. So we help them to correct all their mistakes. So masterclass is usually we announce in our Insta and Facebook. So our Facebook page is Pearls Beauty Academy. So you can like the page to get updated with what is happening in Pearls Beauty Academy. The masterclass also includes the hairstyle. A complete makeup look get more gorgeous only when you do a beautiful hairdo. So we have also given a before makeup pic of her, and this is a after makeup. This was actually taken with a normal camera. If it would have been taken in a professional camera, it would have been more, the finish would have been more beautiful. It's a side braid with some beautiful front accessories and hairstyles. So you could see it is not looking too heavy, but it looking defined. The makeup looks defined. So these are the different looks of the pics of her. So we usually don't hire a model for these classes. We just pick up the normal dusky skin. So because most of the brides we get is the normal skins. So yes, this is the complete output of the after makeup in our master class. This is one day master class. Sometimes we have hands-on practice also on the same day. It depends upon the inquiry of the students. So this was little long back, nearly 4 months before this masterclass happened. There are more masterclass videos will be uploading soon. Yes, this is the complete look of the day. And we have also used extension on the hair, but it completely merges with our own hair. When you keep an extension for the hairstyle, it shouldn't look awkward. It shouldn't look out of the way. I've seen many people, they keep extensions to the hairstyle, but it completely differs from their natural hair. So we also teach a lot of techniques how to pick up an hair extension which goes with their original hair. Thank you for watching Arthi Balaji Makeover Styles.